Hi there. Welcome back to Platform Metrics, where we do B2B SaaS teardown videos and try to identify a few conversion leaks that might be costing businesses a few $1,000s every single month. Today, we're going to be talking about SaaS Customer Intelligence 360, which is basically a platform that allows you to connect your data to the decisions that you make in order to personalize the customer experience. So first of all, we can see that the headline and sub-headline are both very transparent and clear. So any prospect would be easily able to understand what the software is about. Also, you can see they allow you to have the option to watch the video if you want to see how it works. Okay, just to give you a better understanding of the software. And then here they explain more about how it is basically a customer engagement platform that turns customer insights into real-time personalized actions. So very helpful if you want to use systems like this. Then it goes more in depth about all the tools that it has, and you can see all the different um, brands that they've worked with. And this is important in order to display their credibility in the field, and will put the customer, the prospect at ease when thinking about using this. Also, something which is really cool is that apparently it is a Liverpool FC official AI marketing automation partner. Okay, which is a nice touch because I mean I like football, so but I didn't know. Yeah, that's cool. Even Liverpool is using this software, and yeah, then he also talks about how you can use it to do integrations with all the other tools that you might be using, like SAP, Oracle, or AWS or Google Cloud. Okay, very good. And as you can see, it shows that you can integrate with all of these other softwares that you're very likely to be using as well. All right. And then what they do well is in terms of social proof is that they've got and other sections where you can go and actually read the reviews on the software. One point I would make is to actually copy and paste the actual reviews onto the web page rather than telling prospects to go and read them on the actual platform because one, if I click on this and it takes me there, it's great. I can see the reviews, but now I've left your web page, which I don't think you want any prospect to leave your web page because they might not come back. And two, it's just easier to show the prospects immediately rather than them having to take an extra step just to verify your credibility. But then they have got more blogs and articles that you can go and read if you want. A good thing that they do is that they've got frequently asked questions at the bottom. These are good to handle any objection that a prospect might have before making a purchasing decision. And they've also got a nice contact form that you can use if you want to basically start using the software or get a demonstration video or a demonstration call. Um, so yeah, I guess if there was a way to make this a little bit shorter and to remove a few fields that might help with the number of octaves, especially removing things that are not necessary, like this business phone is not required field. So removing it altogether would probably increase the conversions because one, you're not requiring it. Two, it just adds to the length. And we usually know that the longer the forms, the less the conversions. And then this ends the home page. Right, so this takes us to the end of the video. I hope you guys like this. And if you're a SaaS founder who would like to increase their conversions from free trials to paid users, you can click on the link in the description. Other than that, I hope you have a nice day and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.